Have you ever felt confused or even limited by your life path number? Maybe you've heard things like, "This is who you are. This is your destiny. This is what you must become." And part of you wondered, what if I don't fully relate to this? Or worse, what if it feels like a box I don't fit into? Today, I want to clear something important. Your life path number is not your destiny. It's a guide, a rhythm, a direction of growth, not a sentence written in stone. Welcome to this weekly numerology series, where every Friday we explore numerology in a grounded, practical, and soul-respecting way. No fear, no rigid rules, just insight you can actually live with. Let's begin with the most misunderstood number of all. Your life path number describes the main lesson your soul is learning in this lifetime. Not what you're good at, not what you're supposed to be forever, and definitely not what you're trapped in. Think of it like this: your life path is the road, not the destination. You still choose how fast you walk, when you rest, when you change direction, and how consciously you move along that road. Two people with the same life path number can live completely different lives, because awareness changes everything. A lot of frustration comes from believing, if this is my life path, I should already feel aligned. But alignment isn't automatic, it's something you grow into. Many people resist their life path early in life, not because they're doing something wrong, but because the lesson feels unfamiliar, uncomfortable, or challenging. And that's often a sign you're on the path, not off it. Let's look at two examples, just briefly. Life Path 1. This path is about independence, initiative, and self-trust. But many Life Path 1s grow up feeling unsure, dependent on approval, or afraid to lead. Why? Because the lesson is learning self-authority, not being born with it. Life Path 6. This path is about responsibility, care, and harmony. Yet many Life Path 6s feel overwhelmed, overgiving, or emotionally burdened. Why? Because the lesson is balanced care, not self-sacrifice. If your life path feels heavy at times, it doesn't mean you're failing it. It means you're learning it. Here's the shift that changes everything. Your life path number is not asking you to perform. It's asking you to practice. Practice courage, practice boundaries, practice trust, practice balance. And practice means imperfection is built into the process. So here's a question worth sitting with. Where in your life might you be judging yourself for not living up to your life path instead of allowing yourself to grow into it? You don't have to embody your life path perfectly. You just have to stay open and curious about it. Next Friday, we'll continue this series by exploring how your life path interacts with your current life phase and why timing matters more than labels. If you feel called to explore your numbers on a deeper, more personal level, you're always welcome to reach out for a personal numerology insight. And if this video resonated with you, take a moment to like, subscribe, or share, so these weekly reflections can reach others who might need them. Until next time, move with care and trust your path.